A project can be easily used to rename fields of the input documents or even restructure input documents to other documents. Let's look at this example. In this example, we take documents in the persons collection and project them to other documents. Remember that project works for each input document. It means if we have 1000 documents as the input, we will get 1000 documents as the output. Okay, in this example, we project following fields. Underscore ID is excluded, 0. Then name, it will be included. Then comes new field, info, that has set of subfields, ice, fruit and country. And nested fields have expressions as the values. For example, new field ice refers to the eye color field of the input documents. Then fruit, it refers to the favorite fruit field. And country refers to the company.location.country of the input documents. It means that as a result we will get such kind of documents that have just two fields, name and info. And info has nested document as a value. So you see that we have restructured input document and get documents of another structure, but with values that are contained in the input documents. So in this case, we just get documents with name and info. And in info, there are 3 fields, ice, fruit and country. This approach is usually used when input documents contain a lot of fields, a lot of nested documents and so on. And at the output, you need just several fields structured in a readable way. Okay, let's look at this in action. After previous example, we have one stage project, so let's use it. I'll delete contents of the value and split value to several lines, like this. And let's create new structure of the new documents. So let's exclude underscore ID 0. Then let's include index 1, then name 1, and then we will create new field called info. It will be an object. So here is object. Let's split it to several lines and let's add properties of this object. For example, I will add ice, and here will be reference to the eye color field of the input documents, like this, ice. Then let's add company title, just company, and reference to the company.title. And one more field, for example, company location, country. And here will be company.location.country. Like this. In this example, I actually take input documents and restructure them. And here is the structure of the new output documents. Each document will have 3 fields, index, name and info will contain embedded document with 3 fields, ice, company and country. And here I take values of the input fields and place them as the values of the new fields. Let's execute this, Command Enter. And let me unpin this to make it more readable, like this, and let's expand it. So here are results. Just small documents with information that I need to retrieve from the source documents. So just index, name, info, and some info about each person. As you see, using project, you can not just filter fields, exclude them or include them in the resulting documents, but you can also restructure input documents. Okay, let's go on and move to the next stage, limit. See you shortly.